Okay, bring a trailer. Here we have the walk around video for the 1987 Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe. Just a tick under 43,000 original miles. I'm the second owner, basically just to get the title into my name so I can list it here for you guys. Original owner since 1987. Car is super clean, no rust. It has had rust proofing done from when it was new. The Rusty Jones documentation is in the photos, the listing. It's a turbo coupe with a 5-speed manual transmission. Car runs and drives really well. There's not a whole lot of imperfections on the exterior, but we'll try and take a look at them so you don't have to come all the way out here to do it. Front bumper is in actually pretty good shape. There's a couple of little nicks and scratches right on the tip. There's not a lot of peppering. In fact, I don't really see a whole lot of peppering at all. There's some bug splats from our test drive yesterday, but not a whole lot of peppering on the nose piece here. Headlights are nice and clear. A little bit of delamination kind of masked by the bugs on the clear coat, but if you live in a state that requires a front plate, that'll cover it right up. Bumper corners, clean on the driver's side, clean on the passenger side. There is a little bit of a scuff. I don't know if it's picking it up. We'll go down the passenger side here. We'll have a pit stop at the tire. Tires are virtually new in condition. They have 2012 date codes on them. I was told that they were done 5 years ago. No signs of dry rot anywhere, but they are 8 years old. Not a whole lot of imperfections on the passenger side here. In fact, really the only thing of note would be a little trim fade here on this quarter window. And passenger side taillight has not stood the test of time as well as the driver's side. But no cracks, just a little delamination, and looks like it's just a little faded, a little yellowing on the lens. Driver's side, I don't know if we'll be able to pick up a couple of dings here, but they're just little door dings. Can't really see it on the video. That I can see through my viewfinder. There's one up here too. But all in all, really, really clean. Glass is good. You can see through the windshield. There's a split in the dash. Other than that, the interior is super clean. Has an articulating seat for the driver, power articulating seat for the driver. The seat control right there. All the power equipment works on the car. Get a shot of the dash and the gauges. Wish it would focus a little bit. I don't know if that's on me. The mileage, you can see in the photos, it's 42,556 right now. Really clean interior. Floor mats are not stock, but there are 4 floor mats. One's not on the driver's side right now. Okay, we'll take a look under the hood. there's any specific questions that anybody has, feel free to reach out, the seller contact button, or just comment. I'm keeping tabs on comments. Trying to open this one-handed. There we go. Alright. 2.3 liter turbocharged engine. I believe it makes 190 horsepower for this year. It is intercooled. Has the programmable ride control. It's more like an automatic ride control, but you can switch it to firm if you'd like. Has just had a oil change. That's really all the service it needed, except for what we've disclosed in the comments, which is a air conditioner compressor that seems to be leaking oil, and the AC does not blow cold, and there is an ABS light on, but it drives just fine. Oh, and then the cold start. Okay, ice cold. Well, as cold as it can be. Put you back here. Put something under that to level it out. Take you under hood. Somebody had commented that this engine on these cars is rough. This one is very, very smooth. There's our pesky ABS light. Windows go down. Windows go up. Stereo works and is actually quite good. Has the graphic equalizer. Sounds really good. There is a little wedge, and I cannot figure out why I can't get this thing to focus. But on the power button, there is a wire tie that's been snipped to size and wedging the power button in, so you do get the graphic equalizer to work. Air conditioner does not work, but the fan does, so you should at least have heat. Not that I think you should be driving this in the winter if you live in Wisconsin where I live. You do have the AC. We'll listen to the compressor kick on and off. The door bongs work. You hear it clicking on and off. Goes. About all it's going to do for you, unfortunately, unless you charge it. I think I've been told it needs a compressor. So that's it in a nutshell. I'll try to do a driving video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via the contact seller button or comment in the comments section. Thanks for watching.